Joino Media.
Want to stop guessing and start growing on social media? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a winning social media strategy that actually gets results. Even if you're just starting out, posting randomly isn't a strategy. It's a shot in the dark. Without a plan, you're wasting time, losing engagement, and missing out on real growth. The good news, a strong strategy brings clarity, consistency, and results. Step 1. Set clear goals. Do you want brand awareness, more leads, website traffic? Start with a goal so you can track what actually matters. Step 2. Know your audience. Who are you talking to? What are their pain points? Where do they hang out online? The better you know them, the better your content. Step 3. Choose the right platforms. You don't need to be on every platform. Be where your audience is. For B2B, try LinkedIn. Targeting Gen Z, try TikTok. Step 4. Plan and create valuable content. Use the 80-20th rule. 80% value, 20% promotion. Mix formats, reels, carousels, live videos to keep your feed fresh. Step 5. Be consistent plus analyze. Consistency beats intensity. Use scheduling tools. Track your results weekly and adjust based on what works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media and digital marketing tips. Drop a comment below if you want me to review your current strategy or create a custom plan in the next video.